Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with a new video. In this video we will discuss from chapter 15 about Python JSON module. Let's get started. The JSON module in Python provides methods to work with JavaScript object notation data, in short JSON. JSON is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. The JSON module in Python supports encoding, converting Python objects to JSON, and decoding, converting JSON to Python objects. Let's see some example. First we will import the JSON module. Now we will know about JSON dumps function. This function is used to serialize Python objects to a JSON formatted string. And see here, these are all the parameters. Obj, the Python object to be serialized. Indent, if specified, it controls the indentation of the output. Separators, if specified, it is a tuple containing the custom separators for the JSON output. Default, if specified, it should be a function that gets called for objects that can't otherwise be serialized. Sort keys, if true, the output dictionary items will be sorted by key. Let's see the example. As you can see the output. Now we will learn about JSON dump. This function is similar to JSON dumps, but it writes the JSON data directly to a file-like object, FP. And parameters are similar to JSON dumps. As you can see here we don't have any file called data.json. After executed, now see here the JSON file is created. Now we will discuss about json.loads function. This function is used to deserialize a JSON string into a Python object. And the parameters are s, the JSON string to be deserialized. Object hook, if specified, it's a function that gets called with each decoded JSON object. Parse float, parse int, parse constant, specify custom behavior for decoding certain types. Object pairs hook, if specified, it's a function that gets called with the result of every JSON object literal decoded. Let's see the example. Here you can see the output. Alright, now we will discuss about JSON load function. This function is similar to JSON loads, but it reads the JSON data directly from a file-like object, FP. Parameters are similar to JSON loads. Let's see the example. Here you can see the output. And this is the custom object hook. See here, but this object not in our JSON file. Friends, our today's video was up to this. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Please subscribe the channel, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.